Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you are a contact lens user, then you are gonna love this Biotrue contact lens solution. I love this stuff. I buy it all the time. It really works well. I like this one because it is a 2-pack of the 10-ounce bottles, and they also give you a lens case, which is great. And this is a great product because it cleans and disinfects your contacts. It also is a great way to store them, and you can also use it to rinse off your contacts if you need to before you put them in, and it does not cause any burning or stinging or anything like that. You just literally feel nothing from the solution, which is exactly what you want with something that you are going to put into your eyeball. So I love this stuff. It makes my contacts feel really well hydrated, really well cleaned, and it just makes me feel confident knowing that my lenses are well disinfected and ready for my next use. So I would definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.